What are a few tricks to not have a dent in credit score? Yeah, so a couple of things. There's a couple companies that can help you with this. There's one called FIC, F-I-C, which stands for the Fair Isaac Corporation. There's plenty of credit companies out there. You can download Credit Karma as well, which will help you understand how to improve your credit score. But there's a couple of tricks. Number one is obviously pay all your bills on time. Number two, if you have a credit card and say your monthly limit is $300, pay it off early every month and then call the credit card company and say, hey, can you increase my credit limit from $300 to $400? And if they say yes, they'll probably say yes if you have good credit. That helps your credit score as well. And it all depends where you live, though, and many other factors. I'm not an expert in this area, but if I were you, just download Credit Karma or do a search on how do I improve my credit score, and you'll see. And it gets tricky because if you forget to pay back one credit card, and you're a little bit late, it can destroy your ability to buy a house. And it happened to me years ago. It was back, actually 2014. I bought this house here in Hillsborough, California. And I was long two houses, and I had to sell one to buy this one. And I didn't have a big liquidity event yet when it came to stocks, right? And I got one eventually, which was nice. I harvested an investment in BC. But what I did was I tried to buy this house. And Wells Fargo, they wouldn't give me a mortgage. I was like, what the hell, man? I have a good bank account and stuff. What's going on? And it was because I went to this clothing store years earlier in San Francisco called Nordstrom. And when I was at checkout, they said, hey, we'll give you $20 off if you fill in this credit card. We'll give you this credit card from Nordstrom. I was like, oh, how great idea. Don't do that. I did it, and then I paid back a bill to Nordstrom a month or so late. And it was their mistake, actually. And they called the credit company, and they butchered my credit score. And so I'll never forget. I went downtown San Francisco in the Westfield Shopping Center on Market Street. And I went to the top floor where Nordstrom is. And I found the manager. And I got down on my knees. That's me on my knees. Hey there. I got down on my knees. And I begged him to call the credit company and fix this. And finally he did, because I asked a lot. And yeah. But that improved my credit score. Or at least made it better so I could buy this house.